Hey guys, we're in Rome. Solo travel makes you feel really capable. I swear I meet the nicest people whenever I go on solo trips. Hello. I am almost ready. Packed pretty much everything. I've got plenty of time until the flight departs, but knowing that I'll probably get slightly lost at some point, I should get going. And I'm not too sure how good I will be at this vlogging thing. It's not my first time vlogging, but this is going on YouTube for the first time, so I'm slightly anxious, but we'll see how it goes.
Doors opening. Hey guys, we're in Rome and I'm at the hotel right now, which you can probably tell from the background, and I'm exhausted. And I don't even think it's from the traveling, because I'm someone who can sleep really well on all types of transport. I think it's more just the past few days in London has been quite packed, so I haven't been able to sleep that much. Honestly, I swear I meet the nicest people whenever I go on solo trips. There was this lady who sat next to me on the plane, and I won't go into all the details of the conversations that we had, but she reminded me the importance of keeping an open mind and being ambitious at my age. Anyways, she has an Italian husband, so she gave me loads of recommendations on places I should see, places to go to for gelatos, for breakfast, for and just restaurants. I really appreciate that, because this trip was quite impulsive and I really did not do that much research, and getting recommendations from a local or people who know the area well, that's obviously really helpful. This is my second solo trip, so I'm not too anxious about the whole solo traveling part of it. But obviously having someone who I can call who speaks Italian and has family in Rome, that just gives me a bit more of an anchor, which is really nice. I think we should go get some food now, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. I was on the hunt for this restaurant called Amoro, which I've heard really good things about. Little did I know I was going to be hit by this view. You know, just casually walking past the Trevi fountain. It was the loveliest. We found the restaurant, but they were of course fully booked for the night. We will be returning here later during the trip, don't worry. So we ended up going somewhere else. Had this lovely pork sandwich.
it was genuinely so good, or maybe I was just way too hungry. This is the next day. I'm looking a lot better. Very, very quick outfit check. It's not the sunniest of days, but still very, very pretty in Rome. We're on our way to this little cafe called Ciampini. I need to double check if I've butchered the pronunciation there. We ended up coming to this cafe quite a few times during our trip here because it is relatively close to my hotel and I'm a creature of habit. But here I am, and this is me before I realised there was an English menu, so after some frantic googling, I finally decided on what I wanted to eat for brunch that day. I now understand why people say Italian coffees are superior. I'm really not picky with my coffee or desserts, in the sense that I can't usually tell whether it's good or bad. If my body craves it, I will just eat or drink it. But this trip is proof that when something is so good, it sets itself apart and you will notice. Hey guys, so it is now the next day. Yesterday I spent the majority of my afternoon doing online tests for my job applications. I know, a thrilling activity for New Year's Eve. And then afterwards, what was supposed to be a nap turned into a bit of a coma. That is not how I envisioned myself making my way to 2024, but hey, we're not complaining, because the other option would have been going out and getting wasted, which, first of all, is a bit out of character for me, and I don't think I should make an exception just for New Year's Eve. But also, although my adventures and spontaneity, oh my god, I can't say that word, have not bitten me in the back so far in my life, safety should be top of mind. So, you know, it might be a good thing that I just slept in. But it is New Year's Day today. I have managed to book myself onto I think a fairly good restaurant that the lady on the plane recommended, one of the many restaurants she recommended to me for tonight. So that could be like my New Year's celebration, I guess. I have already done my makeup, I need to get changed, and we need to get out of this room. Okay, so I didn't actually get a ticket. Like, I don't know, maybe they just ran out of paper. I just showed the lady at the entrance like my bank transfer, saying that I paid like £4 something, which is like €5, and then she let me in, so that's great. So we're just gonna go in right now and see the inside of the Pantheon.
Miriti, dai, siediti bene.